and today I'll be playing you a very popular pop song called Shivers by Sheeran. Be sure to stay tuned all the way because I'll be teaching you how you can play an easy version at home. So for this tutorial, we're going to start off with playing our left hand. So what you want to do is to put your finger 1, your thumb, on D. And then the rest of your fingers, one finger for each note. Okay, so we're going to play the 4 notes in this order. So you want to start off with a B, and then a G, a D, and an A. So in the same order, we're going to repeat the 4 notes. For our right hand, we want to put our finger 1, your thumb, on B, finger 2 on D, finger 3 on E, and finger 4 on F sharp. You will just need these 4 fingers for now. So we're going to play in this order: B, D, E, F sharp. Do that again: B, D, E, F sharp. Then we're going to move our thumb, move your finger 1 to A. We start with A, D, E, F sharp. And now for the last one, we want to move the rest of your fingers: finger 3 on the C sharp, finger 4 on D, finger 5 on E, and finger 1 on A. We're going to play A, C sharp, D, and E. Now that we're done with the intro, let's move on to the chorus. Okay, so now we're going to learn the chorus part for the right hand. So what you want to do is to put your 5 fingers, so finger 1, your thumb, on D, finger 2 on E, finger 3 on F sharp, finger 4 on A, and finger 5 on B. So we're going to play in this order: 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay? So if you put that together with the left hand, it would sound like that. And now that you've learned everything, this is how it will sound like. Thank you for watching. Remember that practice makes perfect. And if you do happen to post your video online, feel free to tag us as well so you can see it. See you soon!